this. You're okay. Give me a bite of that corn dog.
What about germs?
Put a rubber on it.
Hey there, thanks for coming and watching the video. Today we're doing corn dogs. If you got kids, they're gonna love this recipe. We're doing corn dogs with homemade potato chips. So first we're gonna start off with our batter for our corn dogs. A cup of cornmeal, a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And we'll give that a mix up as it's dry. And then we're gonna add, about a cup of whole milk. And mix that up real good. And then we'll set that aside as we slice our potatoes for our potato chips. Alright, so I got the mandolin set to the thinnest setting, which is number 1. And carefully, we're going to slice our chips. You'll see here how thin they're going to be. That's what we want for potato chips. Then we're going to soak them in water for 1 hour. We'll remove from the water. We'll place on paper towel because you want to get these as dry as you can before they go in the hot oil. So we'll lay these out flat, paper towel on top, and we'll get these nice and dry. Meanwhile, I've got the Dutch oven heated up to 350 degrees. Alright, so hot oil, 350 degrees, using our induction cooktop so it stays at 350. If you don't have one of these, I strongly recommend you get one. They're not that expensive, about $50, and they work great. So we'll put about 10 to 12 chips in the oil. Keep it moving so they're constantly cooking evenly. About 6 to 8 minutes, you get to this crispiness. Remove them, put them on a rack, hit them with a little sea salt, and your chips are ready. Next, we're putting skewers into our hot dogs, and I've transferred the batter into a tall ice tea glass, which works perfect because you can dip the hot dog all the way into the batter, get it nice and coated, and then you're going to remove it and drain off the excess batter, and then we'll put those into the hot oil. And once they're in the hot oil, you got to keep an eye on them, keep them moving around, otherwise one side will get well done, the other won't. So keep spinning them in the oil. And these are going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. And once they reach that corn dog brownness, which you'll see here in a second, that's when you take them out, put them on the wire rack to drain, and then serve with some dipping sauces. And your kids are going to love these. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel with all your friends, and hit that bell to stay up to date on the newest recipes. And give these homemade corn dogs and homemade potato chips a try. The whole family's going to love them. Alright, thank you.